This is your codebook. In this video we are going to discuss about few string functions. The string functions are length, len, length, str, max, mini, maximum and minimum. So let me explain the string functions with the example. So the first function is used to find the number of characters in a string. The length function is used to find the number of characters in a string, and str function is used to convert the non-string characters into string characters, and the maximum function is used to find the maximum alphabetical character in a string, and minimum function is used to find the minimum alphabetical character in a string. So let me explain this function with the example. So let me take one string, that is good day. So now the first one is length. So this function is used to find the number of characters in a string. So simply name of the function, then argument is the object, string object. So when we run this code, you will get the number of characters in a string is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So white space also considers a character. So this is the first function, the length function. It is used to determine the number of characters in a string, and the second one is the convert the non-string characters into string characters. Convert the non-string characters into string characters. So example, let's take the same str function. So let me create one integer variable 100. So when we check the type of this variable, when we run this code, we will got integer. Now I am going to change this one into str of that object n. So when we check the type of yes, it is converted into str. So let's print the value. Okay, so now you can see it is converted into string. So the str function is used to convert the non-string characters into string characters. And next, maximum. The function is returns the maximum alphabetical character from a string. So let's take the same example. So max of the string object is message. So when we run this statement, we will get y. So here it takes the value based on the ASCII values. Okay, so here when we check the ASCII table, so y, that is small y, so the ASCII value is 121, the decimal value is 121. This is the maximum. So based on this one, the particular character fetched from the string. So this is about the max. And next one, minimum. This function returns the minimum alphabetical character from a string. So again another example, let's take the same one. Minimum of the object is message. So now it is white space. Okay, so again look at the table. The space is the lowest value here, 32, and then next look at this 33, it is a exclamation mark. Now here I am going to delete this white space. So when we run this code again, that is minimum of message, you will got exclamation mark. So now I am once again removing this exclamation mark. Here it is D. So look at the ASCII table. D is the now minimum value, that is lowest uppercase letters followed by lowercase letters. So that's why we got D is the minimum from this message object. So these are the few string function: length, string, maximum and minimum. So in this video we discussed about few string functions in Python. Thank you.